Do you want to score higher than 1450 on the SAT? Well, there is one secret that most students overlook that hinders them from scoring above a 1450, and that is the error book. Today, I'm going to tell you all about it. Hi, I'm Shanna, CEO and founder of Sharp Sessions, and I've helped students get into their dream schools, such as Cornell University, Georgia Tech, just to name a few. And so, if you're interested in going to your dream school fully funded, stick around. So, what is the error book? Well, typically students will just do practice tests, and doing practice tests are great, right? That's one of the fundamental things that you're going to do in order to increase your score. But if you keep practicing and making the same mistakes over and over again, your score will not increase, well, at least not drastically to the 1400s or let alone the 1500s. And so, one of the things that we implore our students to do, and what we've seen our top students who scored over 1500, well, over 1450 as well, right? They have invested in and listened to us when we say use the error book. Now, what is the error book? So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen and kind of break down what the error book is all about. So, when we talk about the error book, literally this is you compiling a book with all of your errors, right? And so for us, we give our students a template. And so I'm going to kind of break down the template here for you so that you can make your own error book, and it becomes a study resource, and it's really good for people who are very busy. A lot of our clients, a lot of our students are super busy, and so as athletes and different type of things, extracurricular activities, you're always on the go. And the error book is one of those great ways to really dive in. Now, one might ask, why do we need to study our errors? Well, if you want to increase your scores, you want to know what mistakes you're making on test day, right? Well, not on test day, but when you're doing your practice exam, so that on test day, you're not making those same errors, right? And so you catch yourself now so that when it comes to test day, you are aware of, well, these are the things that I used to do to get these type of questions incorrect, right? And so these are what I'm not going to do when it's time for exam day. So let's dive in.